Hi there, friends. Professor Overman here. In our last session, we heard from Gary Starkweather, who told us how he asked the Lord for help in creating the laser printer. What a powerful reminder that Christian faith and science are not at odds. They really go hand in glove. Did you know that many successful scientists have been devoted followers of Christ? Take Isaac Newton, for example. He wrote more about the Bible and theology than he did about physics. Another remarkable example is Dr. George Washington Carver, a brilliant scientist who wove his Christian faith into everything he did as a single fabric. Here's a short video that illustrates how Dr. Carver did this.
In Carver's day, the South was a one-crop economy, cotton. But the soil became depleted through repeated planting of cotton year after year. Carver knew that if the farmers planted legumes, like peanuts and sweet potatoes, it would revive the soil. But the only problem was, in those days, there was no market for peanuts and sweet potatoes. So Carver set out to create a market and invented 300 uses of the peanut and 118 uses of the sweet potato. He said, "I took just a handful of peanuts and looked at them. 'Great Creator,' I said, 'why did you make the peanut?' Why?" God answered his prayer. He said, "The great Creator taught me to take the peanut apart and put it together again. And out of the process have come forth all these products." He called his lab God's Little Workshop. Included among the many products from the peanut, the sweet potato, and soybean are instant coffee, chili sauce, mayonnaise, molasses, meat tenderizer, shaving cream, wood stain, printer's ink, adhesives, axle grease, bleach, linoleum, and fuel briquettes. Carver gave God the credit. He said, "No books ever go into my laboratory. I never have to grope for methods. The method is revealed the moment I am inspired to create something new. Without God to draw aside the curtain, I would be helpless." Dr. Carver locked the door to his lab when he was creating things. He said, "Only alone can I draw close enough to God to discover His secrets."
Now, you might not be a scientist, but here's something important to remember. You can weave your Christian faith into everything you do as a single fabric, just like Carver did. You can weave Christian faith into playing soccer. You can weave Christian faith into playing an instrument, or solving a math problem, or cooking a meal. That's what living with a biblical uniview is all about. Until next time, onward and upward.